Good. So this question is actually from last year, the June paper, May-June paper, and it's question one. So it says Mahindra and Jaya shared $7,224 in the ratio 7 to 5. How much more money does Mahindra receive than Jaya? Do you guys remember how to do ratios? Like, how would I share this 7 to 5 ratio? Anybody knows or wants to guess? I guess not. Yes, I'm hearing somebody. Who's speaking?
Mahendra will get seven. Mahendra will get seven, and then Jia will get five.
Well, yeah, Mahindra gets 7 of the shares because basically a ratio of 7 to 5 literally means it's like you have to think about it in terms of shares, right? So, like Mahindra gets 7 shares and Jaya gets 5 shares. So, in total, if Mahindra is getting 7 and Jaya is getting 5, guys, what is the total number of shares then? If Mahindra is getting 7 and Jaya is getting 5, what is the total?
12, miss.
12.
Yeah, that's right. So it'll be total shares will be 12, right? I like to think of ratio in terms of shares. So the total shares will be 7 plus 5, which is 12. And if that is the case, girls, what fraction would Mahindra get if the total shares is 12 and he gets 7? What would be the fraction that represents his amount? The total shares is 12 and he gets 7 out of that. So what fraction does that represent? Isabel? If the total shares is 12 and Mahindra gets 7 shares, what fraction in terms of shares would Mahindra get?
7/12.
That's right. Mahindra gets 7/12. And while you're here, then how much would Jaya get?
5/12.
5. That's right. 5/12. So at this point, we can literally find out the dollar value of that. So we could check what fraction, what is the amount of money 7/12 is equal to, and what 5/12 is equal to. And we could subtract from each other because the question is asking us how much more money does Mahindra receive than Jaya? Or we can just work out the fraction, the difference in the fraction that Mahindra gets versus Jaya. So what is the fraction, the difference in the fraction that Mahindra gets? Mahindra gets 7/12, Jaya gets 5/12. What is the difference there?
2,
Two what?
2, 12.
That's right. So Mahindra gets 2/12. And what is that? Can I reduce that, Nia?
Um, 1 over 6.
Yes. Right. So Mahindra gets 1/6 of the total amount of money, which is 7,224. You'll go ahead and calculate what is 1/6 of 7,224 for me. 1/6 of 7,224. You guys got your calculators with you? Ladies, do you have your calculators with you?
Yes,
Yeah.
miss.
What is
Yeah.
1/6 of 7,224? Atina, can you work it out for me, please, honey? What is 1/6 of 7,224?
It's like, hold on now.
Hmm? Do you need my help, love?
Yeah.
Do you know how to type 1/6 on your calculator?
Yeah.
Right.
After that,
Of means to multiply. So 1/6 of 7,224 is 1/6 times 7,224. What did you get?
I got 1,204.
That's the answer. 1,204. Right? So that's one way you could have done it. The other way you could have done it is you could have actually worked out what each of their amounts of money would be. So like 7/12 of 7,224 is Ari, work out that for me, please. 7/12 of 220 7,224.
Okay.
4,214.
Good. So 4,214, that would be Mahindra's amount. And Zafi, work out what is 5/12 of 7,224. Zafi, you getting through with it? 5/12 of 7,224.